Amber. I just wanted to say, ang galing niya talaga mag-act. So I was wondering, is there anything about Stella and Fidel na you personally can relate to? Or like, you can see it in yourself?
Yung bulol talaga ako. I guess yung confidence ni Fidel, may tendency ako maging ganon. So, kahit na tiga-teatro ako, meron akong problema sa improvisation, lalo na pagsasalita sa audience. So talagang may possibility mangyari sa akin yung kapag nasa-stress ako, ang dami nangyayari sa akin physically. Like ito, may gesture ako, hindi ko naman kailangan. Alam mo, parang, so, meron din akong ganong issue, I guess. And it comes to Fidel's character, di ba? There is a Fidel look, I call it a Fidel look. Yung mata ni Fidel parang laging nagtatanong.
Yearning eyes.
Para siyang, anong nangyayari? Anong ginagawa mo? Anong sasabihin ko? Laging may, paano, lahat. So, ganun siya eh. So, meron din ako minsan ganun. At usually tumatawid yun ng mga maamo. Pero nagtatanong lang naman din siya. At hindi niya yun masabi. Ganun.
May natutunan ako. Hindi ko naman
Ginagawa mo yun ah. Si Stella kasi yung look niya. Ano din, pero ako personally, I'm so different from Stella, but JC pointed this out to me, second to the last shooting day. We did a scene na, hindi second to the last shooting day. Nung napapanood mo na to, may scene ako with Von, yung last scene ko halos, na parang sabi ko, huwag ka na mag-apologize, I can say sorry to myself, blah blah, Stella, I'm so sorry. Tapos tumingin ako sa langit. Sabi niya, ganyan na ganyan yung ginawa mo sa tula nung nagtatanong ako kay Sir Raul. Bakit pink si Pink Panther? Bakit blue ang langit? So sabi niya, galing ginawa mo same. So na-realize ko, I didn't do that intentionally, but I think this is very common naman for us actors. We always put a little bit of ourselves into our characters para there's a bit of truth. I think that's something Bella would do also in her life. So maybe instead of personality traits, it's little quirks or movements na you see in Stella that you might see in Bella, but I don't know where you will catch it. But yeah.